I'm GOWTHAMI from 4SN23EC011, startup company, Human K, product present name, air oil, product purpose name, quantum dress oil. Empathizing. Mention some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. Hair oil can be beneficial for moisturizing and nourishing the scalp and the hair. Nanoparticles stimulates the growth and the oily and smelly should be avoided. Defined based on the empathizing state and consider the feeling and the requirement of the customer. Many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is hair oil. Futuristic product name is quantum dress oil. Ideate. Some of the additional features should be added. Mentioned here. Deep moisturizing, strengthness, air repair, damaged hair, natural shine and smoothness. Prototype. In prototype state, the real working model has to be mentioned due to the type constraint. The vendor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the prototype stage. Thank you.